Zita came with 4 slices of bread in the room. And I said, who are the owner? She now said, both of us. And I said, okay, no, I said, maybe that's our...
2-2.
2-2. They gave from our team. You know, I shared the bread.
Yeah.
Now, Thelma now came to get something from me. So she now said she wanted to make bread and egg. And I said, please, can you make egg for me? He said, yes. Okay, and I said that this is my bread, that they even gave me 2 slices of bread. The next thing is that she just triggered that I should go and meet my deputy. Don't I have a deputy? Like, I felt some type of way. So, my bro, I was really offended.
Like, I understand that because it's like, you know,
you're my friend.
You just wanted a simple answer.
Saying that you did me a favor by making me bread and egg. Didn't I do you a favor? I did you a favor too. Because when you came this morning, you said you cannot go upstairs to go and get your egg. And I gave you 5 eggs too. I gave you 5 eggs for my eggs.
Free.
You have my hot dog with you. You have my banana. Like, you have a lot of things that I kept with you. So why are you making this out of no issues? Why are you calling my deputy in this? In the conversation of both of us?